Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel here. We create simple and powerful English stories especially for learners who want to improve their English in an easy and interesting way. If you want to learn English through stories, improve your vocabulary, and enjoy meaningful lessons, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's start today's story. Imagine sitting alone scrolling through your phone and suddenly you receive a message from an unknown number. You open it and it says, "Hi, this is you. Not a joke, not a prank, but you from the future. What if your future self tried to guide you? What if someone who already lived your life came back to warn you about your mistakes? Would you listen or ignore it?" This is the story of Riya, a simple college student whose life changed forever after one mysterious message. Riya was a normal college student who lived in a small city. She had simple dreams. She wanted to complete her studies, get a good job, and make her parents proud. Her life was not very exciting, but she was happy most of the time. One evening, after coming back from college, Riya was sitting on her bed and scrolling through her phone. She was checking social media, watching videos, and replying to messages. Everything felt normal. Then suddenly, she got a new message. The number was unknown.
"Hi, Riya." She felt confused. "Who is this?" She replied. After a few seconds, another message came. "It's you." Riya laughed a little. "Very funny. Who are you really?" The reply came quickly. "I am you from the future." Riya stopped smiling. "This is not funny," she typed. "I know you won't believe me." The message came, "But I can prove it." Riya felt curious now. "Okay, prove it." "You have a small scar on your left hand from when you fell off your bicycle at age 10. Riya's eyes widened. She looked at her hand. The scar was there. She never told anyone about it. Her heart started beating fast. "Who are you?" She typed again. "I told you. I am you. 10 years from now." Riya didn't know what to think. It felt strange and scary, but also interesting. "Why are you messaging me?" she asked. There was a short pause. Then the reply came. "I want to help you." Riya felt confused. "Help me? Why?" "Because I made many mistakes. I don't want you to repeat them." Riya stayed silent for a moment. Then she typed, "What kind of mistakes?" The reply came slowly this time. "I wasted time. I ignored opportunities. I didn't believe in myself." Riya looked at the screen carefully. The message continued. "I don't want you to live with regrets like me." Riya felt something deep inside her heart. She didn't know why, but the message felt real. "Okay," she replied. "What should I do?" "Start taking your life seriously. Stop wasting hours on your phone. Focus on learning new skills." Riya looked at her phone and felt a little guilty. "I'm just relaxing," she typed. "I know," the message came, "but small habits create your future." Riya didn't reply for a moment. Then she asked, "Did I become successful?" There was a long pause this time. "You are not where you wanted to be." Riya felt disappointed. "Why?" she asked. "Because you waited too long to start." Riya felt silent. Her mind was full of thoughts. That night, she could not sleep properly. She kept thinking about the messages. The next day, she woke up and checked her phone. There was another message. "Good morning. Today, do something different." Riya smiled a little. "What should I do?" she'd asked. "Start with 1 hour. Learn something useful." Riya thought about it. She decided to try. She opened her laptop and started watching videos about communication skills. At first, it felt boring, but slowly she got interested. That evening, she felt good. "I did it," she messaged. "I know," the reply came, "and I'm proud of you." Riya felt happy reading that. Days passed, and Riya kept getting messages from her future self. "Read books. Improve your English. Take care of your health. Don't be afraid to try new things." Riya started following the advice. Slowly, her life started changing. She reduced her time on social media. She started reading daily. She practiced speaking English. She even started exercising in the morning. Her friends noticed the change. "You are different now," they said. Riya just smiled. She didn't tell anyone about the messages. One day, Riya asked, "Are you happy in the future?" There was a pause. Then the reply came, "I am trying to be." Riya felt something in her heart again. "Are you still messaging me from the same phone?" she asked. "Yes," the reply came. "How is that possible?" she asked. "Sometimes life gives us a second chance in a strange way." Riya didn't fully understand, but she didn't question more. Months passed, and Riya became more confident. She started speaking better, thinking clearly, and working harder. One day, she got an important opportunity. Her college announced a competition. Students had to give a presentation in English. Before, Riya would never participate. But this time, she remembered the messages. She decided to try. She prepared for days. She practiced again and again. Before the competition, she felt nervous. She messaged, "I'm scared. I know. But trust me, this is important. Don't run away." Riya took a deep breath. She went on stage. At first, her voice was shaking, but then she remembered all her practice. Slowly, she became confident. She completed her presentation. People clapped. Riya smiled. That night, she messaged, "I did it." The reply came instantly. Yes, this is where things start changing. A few days later, results were announced. Riya won second prize. She was very happy. She thanked her future self. "Thank you for helping me," she wrote. "You helped yourself." Time passed and Riya kept improving. But one day, something strange happened. She sent a message. There was no reply. She waited. Still no reply. Hours passed. Then finally, a message came. "This will be my last message." Riya felt shocked. "Why?" She typed quickly. "Because you don't need me anymore." Riya's eyes filled with tears. "But I still need your help," she wrote. "No. Now you know what to do." Riya felt emotional. "Will I become successful?" she asked. There was a long pause. "If you continue like this, yes." Riya smiled through her tears. "Thank you," she typed. No reply came. The chat was silent. Days passed, but no new messages came. At first, Riya felt lonely, but then she realized something. The messages had already changed her life. Now, it was her turn to continue. Years passed. Riya completed her studies. She got a good job. She became confident, skilled, and strong. One evening, after many years, Riya was sitting on her bed, holding her phone. She looked at her younger photos and smiled. Then she opened her messages. She thought for a moment. Then slowly, she typed a message. "Hi Riya." She sent it. Somewhere, in another time, a younger Riya received a message from an unknown number. And the cycle began again, because sometimes the best person who can guide you is your future self. So what did Riya really learn? She learned that success doesn't come suddenly, it comes from small decisions taken every single day. A little less distraction, a little more focus, a little more courage to try. Riya didn't change because of magic, she changed because she decided to listen and take action. And maybe you don't need a message from your future self because deep inside you already know what you should do. You just need to start. Now tell me in the comments if you received a message from your future self, what would you ask? And if you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English in a simple and interesting way, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more powerful English stories. We will meet again in the next story. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and believe in yourself.